Here we have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with a soft top and manual transmission, only 6,500 mile. Clean owner, clean Carfax, excuse me, one owner. Black in color, really an excellent sharp vehicle. Sahara is the top of the line trim package for Jeep. On the Rubicon's the off-road model, but the Sahara is the top of the line package there. As you can see, your classic 7-slot Jeep grille with chrome embezzlements, brushed aluminum embezzlements here around the round headlamps. Also, you have your integrated fog lights in the lower bumper fascia there as well. All body color, all monotone, looks really nice. We come around to the side. Sahara gives you these charcoal pocketed 5-spoke wheels, really sharp. We've got Bridgestone Dueler AT tires, light new. Obviously, this vehicle only has 6,500 miles, so these tires are very much light new. Also a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed out by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Just opening up the door here, I wanted to show you those full running boards that come with that Sahara package as well, which is nice. Also, as you can see, we got the cloth interior with offset white stitching. We got the Sahara embroidery in both of the seats there as well. Really gives it a nice look. Got some brushed aluminum accents there. Full console, it runs in between 2 bucket seats. Also, you can see your door lock buttons there on the side. Nice look that flows throughout that vehicle. Now let's go ahead. Of course, this is the Unlimited, so this is the full 4-door model. Very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants there as well. A couple cup holders in the floor, but plenty of room in these 4-door Jeeps. Now, showing you the rear tire, just to show you it is a matching Bridgestone tire. Again, no scuffs or scrapes on that alloy wheel, and a light new rear tire also. Now, as we continue around, of course, you got your full-size matching wheel and spare there. We also got your tow hook on the side. Now, let's go ahead and open up this swing door just to show you underneath that you do have your nice Jeep mat back there. You know, obviously, seats can be removed. Carpeting can be taken out. These Jeeps are always set up to go play in the mud and clean them up afterwards. We do have the factory molded running splash guards front and rear on this vehicle. Also, again, just showing you the matching tire and wheel. No scrapes or scuffs, like new tire. Now, as we look through the driver's side here on the back, you can see very clean, no rips, tears, stains, odors, very much like new. Even still has a little bit of that new car smell left to it. Only 6,500 miles, so this is an excellent new car alternative, save you an awful lot of money from purchasing new. Now, as we continue here on the driver's side, again, cloth, you know, very clean. Manual adjustment on this driver's seat also. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the interior. I like to start with the key itself. This is integrated with the keyless here, as you can see, remote. Like I say, your door lock buttons are located on the side there. As we jump in, start this vehicle up just again to show you the miles. There you see, only 6,496 miles. Let's start it up. You can see those nice LEDs reflecting off that car in front of us. Really bright lights there. Also want to show you this Carfax. You can see one owner, clean, no issues whatsoever. We keep a copy of that auto history always in the dash of all of our vehicles as well. Our price is always prominently displayed in the window. Now, as we continue the tour, already showed you where the door locks were. Here's your headlamp controls, your turn signals, also your cruise control, high beams, wiper washers, you know, everything right there on that multi-stem switch. Do have Bluetooth, do have your customized, drivable in-vehicle computer system here. We do have your cruise control to the right. Your windows are located in the center over here. Now we have the standard Chrysler AM/FM satellite radio there. Got your climate control below that. Got your ability to turn your traction control on and off, and your power mirrors are actually in the center here as well. There's a 12-volt power supply and the ability to cut current to your 115 volt supply. Now we got your floor shift lever for your 4-wheel drive. Of course, this is a 6-speed transmission. Got your pull handle for your emergency brake, 2 large cup holders. And if I open up this center console here, you'll see your connectivity down there, USB, 12-volt power supply, and audio pre-out. Now, of course, there's your auto dim rear view mirror. This is the soft top. You can see very, very clean now. Let's go out and show you underneath the hood here. There's your V6. I believe it's a 3.8 liter. You know, very quiet, very clean, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Just looks like a brand new one, what you would expect with only 6,500 miles, as you can see there. Just button this hood back up. Then we'll shut the car off and we'll get into the next portion of this video. And the next portion of this video, really something we're prideful of here. I really think it differentiates us from a lot of folks in the car business. Not only are we completely upfront in our pricing, but also completely upfront in not only the mechanical, as I spoke of, the inspection process prior, but also the cosmetic appearance of our car. So my job is to kind of be your eyes and your ears, walk around this Jeep. If there's anything I see that would make it less than new, other than the few miles that are on it, I will try to point that out to you guys. Try to buy these cars absolutely as clean and like new as possible. Really just want to save the customer that first year or two of depreciation and offer them a like new vehicle at a used car price. And, you know, other than little tiny scratches like the one that's on that fender, you know, this car is going to be pretty much like you drove it off the showroom, brand new. You know, it's really, really clean. I haven't noticed anything down the driver's side other than that scratch. From the swing gate, everything looks good. The rear quarter here looks nice. This is pretty much a like new vehicle here. No dents or dings or scrapes. Just sharp black Jeep. Fender looks good up front here also. A couple little stone chips on the front face of this fender. Really unavoidable. Little chip there on the corner of that hood. You know, tough not to pick up a few stones anytime a vehicle's on the road. A couple little minor scratches there on that front grille area. But that's it, guys, man. This thing is like new. Beautiful Jeep, off-road capability, a four-wheel drive legend. You guys are definitely welcome to come in and take a look at it. I don't expect it'll be here too long. Does still have the remainder of Chrysler's powertrain and comprehensive warranty, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. Hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.